Alright guys, we're at the office and it's getting really packed in here. We got a lot more stuff in here. We're kind of running out of space now. I have everything just laid out right now, just looking at everything, making sure everything's good. We got a bunch of carbon here. Yeah, there's just stuff everywhere. Look at these pieces though. These things are beautiful. This is for, man, I don't even want to touch it. This is for the G87 M2. Carbon fiber front center grille. This thing's beautiful. I need to show you guys this outside or in the light somewhere. This piece is so nice though. I am gonna get another rack and put it right here because it will fit perfectly. I think we can fit 2 more racks right here. If we just move these over, we can fit another 2 of these right in here. So we're gonna have a little bit more room to put some carbon there. But we did get 2 packages. We have one right over there for our friend's GT3RS. We are taking those parts to Premium today, where I got my Supra PPF'd. We're gonna drop those parts off to them. They're gonna PPF them. And then we also got some bags for our microfiber towels. All right, here's the bags for the detail rags. They're like frosted, got the logo right there. We're leaving Premium now. They hooked me up with a little hat for free. Oh shit, forgot to put the sticker. Forgot to take the sticker off and keep the sticker. Those kids back in high school. One thing I do gotta make is some hats for the carbon company. Got the Supra looking nice and clean. Took it out for a car wash last night. How shiny this thing is. I love it. One day we're gonna finish the 2JZ build. Got everything just lied down right here. Always gotta put it in sport mode first. One thing I always have to do is turn off traction completely. I hate driving with traction on. Shout out to Isaac for hitting me up on Instagram wanting to buy a t-shirt from us. This is the first t-shirt we're selling. I didn't post them for sale anywhere. Shout out to Isaac for hitting me up, wanting to show support before we launch. I guess if you guys do want to buy some t-shirts, just hit me up and on Instagram. All right, we got your shirt right here, Isaac. Gonna throw that in there. You're gonna throw it in these bags that we're not using for the shirts, but I'm gonna use it for your shirt because I like it. We're gonna use these for the microfiber towels that we're gonna be selling with the other thing that I haven't told you guys about yet. Throw a license plate frame in there. Throw a sticker, 2 of them. And these are really good quality too. These are oversized tees. They're 100% cotton. Quality is really nice on these. They're pricey too. I'm honestly like not really making any money on this right here that I'm putting in here. It's like a little goodie bag. And bam. Look at this car that we have outside the office. Ready? Got this 992.1 GT3RS that we're throwing carbon on. So these are going to be in carbon. These vents are going to be in carbon. And then the quarter panel vents right here are going to be carbon that we took off already. The whole Weissach package. This thing is beautiful. We finished an MK5 Supra earlier today that got a lip, front lip, which is one of these right here.
You hear something?
Oh my god. My boy just shit himself. Hey, you need to go wipe. You need a wipe after that one.
Quick wipe.
That one sounded a little wet. All right, let's get to work.
Nope.
My boy about to go take a shit now. But today we finished MK5 Supra. We installed a front lip. So now we get to work on the GT3RS, which is sick that we get to work on this car because this is my dream car right here. So that's really cool. And it's already 10 p.m. We've been here since like 2. So we're probably going to be here until like 4 in the morning working on this car. But that's why I didn't get to film the MK5 earlier, because we've just been busy having to finish both these cars today. We'll try. We got these really cool scrape guard boxes that Bell designed.
We already have 1.
Alright, so this is what it is here. So it's a pack of 8. Basically put these underneath your lip or your bumper. They stick on with double-sided 3M. And this should be enough to put all around your lip. So if you scrape, this is going to protect your lip or your front bumper from cracking or getting scraped up. Such a cool design. Has a AVNT on the corner right there. Put it like that. Put a sticker up there. One of these stickers right there. And bam. Maybe the black one on top. Alright, we got this GT3RS taken apart. I didn't show any of the process because we've been just trying to knock it out because we're on a time crunch, but we got everything taken off here. We got these carbon pieces on right here, both sides. They look really good. And then we got these quarter panel vents in carbon as well. And we also fixed these for him since another shop had left them really bad. They were like sticking out, so we took them off and then put them back on. Now they're really nice and flush. We're masking off the front bumper because we have to paint these black. The center one's painted, but I guess they forgot to paint these two on the side, so we're gonna take care of that for him. Yesterday we came in at 2 p.m. and we left at 6 in the morning, which is today. So we were here for 16 hours.
You better hurry. This shit hurts, bro. I'm gonna drop it. I'm just kidding.
Here, let me go get the keys.
What a great time to vlog, David. What a great time to vlog.
Oh, yeah, dude, let me just push it open with this battering ram of a GT3RS bumper.
Oh my god. Oh, let me bring it. That bumper is heavy. That thing is not light. It's a heavy bumper. It's got all types of sensors and stuff inside of it. I think that's why. It also feels really heavy itself though. It feels like it's made out of poly, not plastic. Sir, I'm not paying you to be on your cell phone.
No.
I didn't know your leg went up that high.
I was kind of impressed.
That was kind of high. That was like 5 feet.
Kickboxing, bro.
Little tagger.
I used to.
Taking you back to your old days, huh?
Yeah, straight up. That looks so good.
Yeah?
Yeah, give me some light.
He's gonna be stoked. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Damn, that looks clean. It's very nice. Let's take off the tape underneath.
That shit looks brand new.
Oh yeah, it looks so much better.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Ooh, it looks good with the new carbon. Got my lizard green Porsche right here, my lizard green vacuum to match. Look at that. Nice cold start. Dundon exhaust and a crack pipe. This thing is insanely loud. Oh my god. I can't wait to get one of these. Alright, let's move the McLaren out so we can take the Porsche out for a wash. Oh man. This thing is so loud too, and honestly, it smells so bad. The gas on this thing, let's put setting 2 short. Let's put the windows down so you can hear it. right, baby. This thing's got a Dundon exhaust and a what? Dundon crack pipe?
Dundon headers and Dundon crack pipe. It's full Inconel exhaust.
From Dundon?
From Dundon, yeah, it's a $17,000 exhaust.
Well, we're about to hear it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so loud! Such a relief after working. Oh, bro. After working on this car for hours and finally getting to. Oh my god. And then finishing it at 4 in the morning and I'll take it for a car wash. And hearing that at 4 in the morning.
That is the sickest sound I've ever heard in my life.
Bro, same. Alright, everyone needs to order a shit ton of carbon fiber now because I need this car.
Disclaimer, our customer said we could do this.
Yeah,
Just so you guys know.
Alright, it's way too loud.
Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. That is awesome, dude. That is fucking awesome. Oh, I fucking...
Dude, Bell used to have one. If you guys watch the old videos, he had a 991.1 GT3RS. So he had a, what is it, Sharkworks exhaust?
Yeah, Sharkworks.
But dude, this exhaust, this is something else. Literally vibrated my whole body and my heart. God. My lizard green blower now too. Matching my lizard green Porsche.
You can love it, you can leave it. This ain't nothing without it. Don't let them keep you down. What if I don't need it? There's something about it that just freezes me out.
The RS is nice and clean. It's now 6 in the morning, but it's all washed up. Damn, them cheeks. Oh boy, cheeked up. They look so good. So much better than those plastic ones they come with from factory. It's a really nice touch. 558. We don't sleep around here.
We get shit done, baby.
Bring your car, buy some carbon. We'll install it because I need to buy an RS now. I need to get this car ASAP. If you don't buy carbon, I'm gonna start selling courses. Bro, we're crazy. Working from like 1 or 2 p.m. to like 6 in the morning. You taking the McLaren, the Huracan, or the RS? Bro, I'm taking the RS any day. I'll take the RS over both of these cars together.
Hell, I'm taking an RS over a Bugatti, son.
For real, because Bugatti ain't making the noises this car's making. And it just looks way better in my opinion. Bro, this car looks too damn good.
Looks amazing.